Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, people of all ages, today is the driveway day. And as you can tell, we're ready to rock and roll. We've already did our grading, and now we're about to lay the concrete. This is what you want to see when you come to your job site here. It's about to go down. Literally, the concrete is about to go down. We got the truck here. This is where the sidewalk's gonna be. See that? That's what you wanna see here when you come to the good job site. We did a little change. We put an accent wall there, the white accent wall. It comes off the brick very nicely. Okay. What you want. As you can tell, everything's been graded. The land, everything nice and smooth. Deck is looking good. Guys are in position to make history. Infinity Construction, building a better tomorrow today.